Okay, good day everyone. Good day, Miss D, and good day, Brother Chan. So I'm gonna walk you through on how you are going to push this staging site to the production site or the production server. Okay, so I prepared here the easy way and the do-it-yourself. Okay, so before everything else, we need to you need to create a backup files for the production site. It's on the blacktravelfest.com. Okay. Uh, we need to really, I know there's a little bit update on the Black Travel Fest, so you need to really do the backup first. So when something goes wrong, then it will be very easy for us to recover on the production side. So yes, and after that, you need to back up. You need to download and save it in your local computer to your hard drive after the backup process. Okay, so for the migration process, and this is the easy way. Number one, Miss T, you need to request tech support to assist you to migrate the website for the following reasons: web administrator missing in action, let us all left us already, etc. You need to, yeah, establish a what's so called white lies, and no technical personnel to handle the migration process. Okay, so all you need to do is to provide them the staging site URL or this one, or in some cases, you are going to also provide the administrator and the password of this staging site. I'm going to give you that credentials later in the email as I attach this video walkthrough. Okay, so that's the easy way, Miss D. And since you are the owner of the hosting account, then you will be the one, and they will listen to you, of course, because there's really a very strict on security, two factors authentication, which saw that, and you could easily provide them whatever they they're requested for a particular what do you call this, a key. Okay, so for the do it yourself, this is the link provided by GoDaddy tech support team for the manual and DIY process. They said for the migration process, account holder will be that one responsible for it. Okay, that's why uh, they have this kind of policy, Miss D. So the easy way, you need to really request them that you are a non-tech guy, so that they will be the one, okay, be the one to push this staging to the front side. Okay, so this is the link. I'm also gonna share this in this email that I provide. Uh, and number two, as I am not really used to access GoDaddy dashboard from time to time, really need to you really need to ask tech support to assist me on the process. In most cases, I let them hold the line so I can get back to them immediately. Might took long for you to wait while you are in queue. Okay, that's why uh, sometimes um, it really needs the customer ID plus the PIN. That's why I am asking Brother Jan, and sometimes I'm uh, and really asking you also as well, Miss D, on the PIN from time to time, because this is GoDaddy's process in order for them to secure the hosting account anyway. Okay, so this is the when you try to access this link, this is the actual tutorial or the step-by-step process on pushing the staging site to the production site. Okay, all you need to do, Miss D, is to really need to follow this one. Just try to click on next and next and next until you become successful, right? Okay, all right, there you go. So my recommendation for this, after uh, after you successfully guys um, after you successfully guys push the staging site to the production site, you need to really subscribe or ask them what plugins do they recommend for the backup plugins, because this is very important, so that later on might be they might have another shortcut or another simple process of migrating again or moving it again to vice versa on the prod site and on the uh, what do you the staging site. Uh, so yeah, you really to really invest on this plugins. For this is one very um, because of the free version of the backup plugins. um, it is only limited to a particular size of the backup. That's why when you subscribe on a pro account, then it will give you an unlimited, something like that. Okay, so yeah, so good luck, Miss D. Good luck, Brojan. Yeah, I'm just an email away or just a private message away, Brother Chan. Thank you.